Hi, everybody. In this video, I want to show you really quickly how you can copy a column of data and open up a new sheet to make it easier for you to focus. So here is a data set from our survey from spring 2024. And let's say you want to focus just on a particular column of data rather than the whole thing at once. What you can do is you can come up here and click the top of that column. And if you need to, you can click it again so that it highlights. And then if you right click on your mouse, you'll have the option to copy. Click the copy button and you'll now see that dash line around it, which shows you that it's been copied. On the bottom here, you can click the plus sign and this will open a new blank sheet. And it's similar to having a second page in a Word document. What you can do is highlight a column here, right click again, and this time just click paste. And your data set will be pasted here. Now it'll make it much easier for you to sort your data and just kind of work and focus on the areas that you need to. For instance, I could highlight my data, go to data, and then go ahead and sort it in order from lowest to largest. And again, it just makes it a little bit easier for you to focus and kind of check out your data in a separate area without trying to comb through the entire data set at once. I hope that helps. And again, if you have any questions about the course or even Excel and how it can help you simplify some of the steps, let me know.